Hi everybody, my name is Katie and the cool tool that I'll be showing you today is QR codes. QR codes are small black and white pixelated boxes and they're one of the most popular two-dimensional codes at the moment. They can contain alphabetical information as well as URL links. Each QR code has a unique look because each placement of the pixels is different from the next one. The man who developed this tool's name is Masahiro Hara, and he developed this program for the Japanese grocery stores because they were having lots of issues scanning things. In 1994, the company called Denso Wave valued the technology and decided to release it to the consumer market. This technology is accessible to everyone and free. This became one of the most popular technologies because of this specific attribute. It became more popular in 2002 because the Japanese cell phone services started marketing phones with QR code readers already installed in them. Today you can go to the iTunes store and purchase them, or most of them are free, so they're really easy to download. They're not at any cost to you. The technology that it uses is basically just access to your camera on your phone after you've already downloaded this application. You can download it for your iPod, your iPad, your phone, and even your computer. The computer one that I downloaded is called QReader. QReader just pops up in a small box and you can put your QR code in front of it so that it can read it. Mine I have printed out, so I'll show you guys right now. That's what it looks like, and once it scans that code, it will send you to your website. And this is the website that I picked to make a QR code for, and that was the one that it scanned. This website helps you to create QR codes. You can input the URL in this section here. I'm just going to type in laverne.edu because we're all familiar with it, and I can change the color of the QR code if I'd like. I think I'm going to go with orange just because it's one of our school colors. And then you can download this code, and this is the image that it pops up with. There are also other things that you could do, such one of the other alternative QR codes that you could make is the contact detail. And once you do that, you can fill in this information, and then when people scan it, they can have it in their phone, especially if it's an iPhone product. They can save it in their contacts and they're very compatible with each other. This makes it easy if you want to put it on a business card, or if a teacher just wants to put it up on the screen, do it when they're doing orientation. They don't have to write it down for everybody. The class can simply take a picture of the QR code, scan it with their QR code reader, and then they have the information for the rest of class. They don't have to physically input anything. It just expedites the process. And a lot of teachers like to use these linking to different websites, or you could even do a YouTube video and put the video ID or URL, and that way if the students want to just view an external video, if the teacher is giving a presentation on something, this could just be extra information and they could just scan it instead of having to try to write down the URL. They can just use the QR code, which is much faster. Well, I hope you've learned how to scan and generate QR codes. Let's see if you use them in your class now.